guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an Amazon bundle review. So I know so many of you all have asked me to actually review bundles. So I am like a wig girly, but sometimes those wigs are just like a little thinner than I want them to be. So I ordered just an extra bundle. I want to find a company that has like really good bundles that I could just add to my wig sometimes. But we're going to get into this video. Before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I am an AliExpress girly. If you're wondering, this wig is from AliExpress, and this is a 40-inch wig, you guys. And it is super duper thick, so I'm gonna link this one in the description box, of course. But when I was ordering this wig, I was like, let me order a 40-inch bundle just in case this wig, for some reason, it just doesn't give. It's not thick enough or something. So that's why I went ahead and ordered an extra bundle on Amazon. On Amazon, I knew the bundle would come super fast, and I knew I could return it if I wanted to. But here it is, you guys. So let me pull up the page for this hair. So they do have inches from 18 all the way to 40. I'm gonna link the bundle company in the description box as well. And this company is called Misefair store, or Misefair store, I think, but I'm gonna link it. So let's go ahead and open this package. So y'all, I think I ordered something else at the same time I ordered this, so you know Amazon likes to combine your packages sometimes, so you know how that goes. Oh yeah, I went to Disney World. I want to put together a little photo album of all my pictures. So I got this, very cute. But okay, this is the bundle. This is the bundle. This is kind of light, you guys. I think, I would say this is light. Let me see if they put how many grams this bundle is on there. I know a lot of you girls are like bundle girlies now, so I was like, let me start ordering some bundles. So I know like with the longer the hair, the shorter the width, but I think it should measure out to about the same amount of grams or ounces. So this says that each bundle is 95 to 105 grams, or the bundle is 3.3 ounces to 3.5 ounces. And it does say it's human, it can be bleached and dyed and all that. So let's see, because this package is light, but it's just one bundle, you guys. Because I was like, okay, if this hair is not giving, I got an extra bundle. So this is like a 1B color. I can tell, like it has like a lot of brownish tint to it. But let's take it out of this package. It is marked like 40 on there, but of course, like always, I'm going to pull out my measuring tape, and we're actually gonna measure this bundle together. Ooh, this is really soft. It's very soft. I will give them that. It's just like very, very brown. So it is like thin. This is thin to me. I don't know. I mean, of course, this would be great to actually add to a full 40-inch wig. Like, this is a good type of bundle to add if you want to if you feel like your wig needs a little more thickness. But if you were putting this in like a sew-in or trying to make your own wig, you would definitely need about 5, maybe 6 of these bundles, in my opinion. Like, for my thickness, I would probably shoot for like 5.5, probably just 5, because I'll be a little cheap. So this bundle is super duper long though. This is really, really long. So this wig is 40 inches. So you all see where it falls on me. It's about the same length. So let's actually pull out my measuring tape and see how long this bundle really is. So yeah, there's the thickness of this bundle. So it's not bad at all, you guys. It's not bad. I haven't had bundles in so long. So here's my measuring tape. You all know I have to pull it out. Let's see what we're looking at. So yeah, this does come to 39-40 inches. So I'm holding it right here. I'm not sure where most people hold the measuring tape when they do bundles, but yeah, I'm holding it over here by the weft. The weft looks nice and thick. That is nice. But let me show you all what we're working with here. So, time please. So yeah, it does go to about 39 actually. The hair hits 39. Yeah, it's like maybe 39 inches. It is pretty true to length. So that is nice. It's just like, I would want it. It does get a little thinner at the ends, I would say, but this is a really nice. The hair is soft. Let's smell it. Okay, it just smells like normal hair. Like, this is nice. I haven't had a bundle in a while. And I'm so happy to actually have some hair that I can add to a wig. When I order, if I try another company and their 40 inches a little thinner or something, just order a little bundle. Like, a lot of times the wigs will be super cheap. So the wig I have right now is a 250% density wig. So it's super thick. Like, it's thick, you guys. I didn't even move all my hair to the side. So the hair is really, really thick, you guys. Like, it's a lot of hair. But of course, if you get maybe a 250% density, it's gonna be more than a 180% density, which is a little thinner. So I don't know the math for which company you're ordering from, but sometimes it's a little more beneficial to order a bundle from somewhere instead of ordering a 250% density wig. That way you can save just a little more money. Or a lot of companies don't even carry 250% density 40 inches. So order you a nice little bundle to add. Or like, it's really good to know. It's really good to know like a good place to get bundles on Amazon, because sometimes you'll just order a wig or get a wig and you don't know that, this look a little thin. I need some extra. So then you can get your bundle really fast with Amazon Prime. So Amazon is definitely clutch for the bundles. I'm probably gonna stick to being an AliExpress wig girly, because this 40 inch, honey, this 40 inch is just super thick, and it is giving, you guys. Like, I am obsessed with it. But yeah, this is nice. Definitely would have to dye it jet black, but yeah, I do like it. I won't have to add this bundle to this wig, but I'm glad to just have this sitting in my drawers for the next time I try a new company and the 40 inch is just a little thin. But that is it for this video. I'm going to link this wig in the description box, and I'm gonna link this 40 inch bundle. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.